Imagine earning $18,000 per month without ever showing your face on camera or even creating the videos yourself. That's exactly what I do, and in this video, I'll show you how I use AI and YouTube automation to make it happen. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to build a channel like mine and start generating passive income. Now, let me break it down step by step. YouTube automation is all about creating a system where your channel essentially runs itself. I outsource most of the work while using AI tools to save time and money. I don't write scripts, record voiceovers, or edit videos myself. Instead, I've automated the process, allowing me to focus on scaling the business. The first step is choosing the right niche. This is critical because not all niches are created equal. When I started, I tested a few topics, like tech reviews and personal finance, before realizing how important it is to find something with high demand and high CPM. High demand means people are actively searching for content in that niche. And high CPM means advertisers are willing to pay top dollar to place ads on your videos. For example, in the personal finance niche, advertisers like banks and fintech companies spend a lot on ads. Similarly, tech-related niches like gadget reviews or software tutorials also perform well. But don't just follow trends, choose a niche you can consistently create content for or something you're genuinely interested in. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to build a system. This is where AI tools come into play. I use ChatGPT for writing scripts. It's fast, accurate, and, honestly, better than many freelance writers. I just provide a topic, and it generates a detailed script in minutes. For voiceovers, I use tools like Eleven Labs or Murph AI to create natural-sounding narrations. For video editing, there are tools like Pictory AI that can turn text into videos by matching stock footage with your script. It's a game changer, especially when you're just starting and don't want to spend on a professional editor. Of course, as my channel grew, I began hiring freelancers for these tasks, but AI still plays a huge role in streamlining the process. Let me tell you about my team. Even though I use AI, there are tasks best handled by real people. I hire a freelance editor to ensure the videos have a polished look and feel. I also have a thumbnail designer because, trust me, thumbnails are crucial. They're the first thing viewers notice, and a good thumbnail can make or break your video's performance. If you're wondering where to find reliable freelancers, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great. I started by hiring people for small, one-off projects. Over time, I found professionals I could trust and began working with them regularly. The key is to start small, test their work, and scale up as your channel grows. Let's talk about content creation because this is where many people struggle. My formula is simple: research, plan, execute. I spend a lot of time researching trending topics using tools like TubeBuddy and Vidic. These tools show me what's working in my niche and help me identify gaps in the market. For example, if I notice a competitor's video on top 10 side hustles is performing well, I'll create something similar but with a unique spin, like top 10 AI tools for side hustles. Once I have the topic, I use AI to generate a script, add my personal insights, and ensure the content is engaging and informative. Consistency is key. When I first started, I committed to uploading 2 videos per week. It wasn't easy, but the regular posting schedule helped my channel grow faster. The YouTube algorithm loves consistency, so whether you can commit to 1 video a week or 3, stick to your schedule. Now, let's talk money. Everyone wants to know how much you can earn with YouTube automation. Here's the breakdown. Once your channel meets the monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning through ads. My channel took about 3 months to hit this milestone. The ad revenue was modest at first, but it quickly grew as I kept posting quality content. Ads aren't the only way I make money. Affiliate marketing is another major income stream. For example, in my tech channel, I recommend tools and gadgets. When viewers click on my affiliate links and make a purchase, I earn a commission. It's a win-win. I provide value, and I get paid for it. Sponsorships are the next big step. Once your channel gains traction, brands will start reaching out to collaborate. My first sponsorship deal was with a small software company that paid me $500 for a 30-second mention in one of my videos. Today, I work with bigger brands and charge thousands per sponsorship. The real magic happens when you scale. After my first channel became successful, I reinvested the profits to start a second channel in a different niche. The process was smoother because I already knew what worked, and I used the same AI tools and freelancers to replicate the success. Now, I manage multiple channels, and together, they generate over $18,000 per month. Scaling doesn't mean working more hours, it's about working smarter. By outsourcing tasks and using AI, I can focus on strategy and growth. My goal is to keep building channels in different niches, each contributing to my income streams. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube automation channel, here's my advice: don't overthink it. Start small, experiment, and learn as you go. Use AI tools to make the process easier, and invest in good freelancers when you can afford it. Finally, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. My first few videos barely got any views, but I kept going. Over time, I improved my content, learned what worked, and stayed consistent. Finally, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. My first few videos barely got any views, but I kept going. Over time, I improved my content, learned what worked, and stayed consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. One of the most underestimated strategies for growing a YouTube automation channel is leveraging trends in your niche. I don't just mean jumping on the latest viral topic, but finding evergreen trends topics that perform well consistently over time. For example, in the tech niche, subjects like best laptops for students or top AI tools are searched year-round. These types of videos not only perform well initially, but can also bring in steady traffic months or even years later. Another powerful approach is creating playlists. Playlists are like a rabbit hole for viewers. They keep people on your channel longer. For instance, if you're in the personal finance niche, you could create a playlist called Beginner's Guide to Managing Money with several videos covering budgeting, saving, and investing. Once a viewer watches one video, they're more likely to continue watching others in the playlist, boosting your channel's watch time and helping with the algorithm. Let me also share a tip about analytics that many people overlook: audience demographics. By analyzing where your viewers are from, their age, and their gender, you can tailor your content more effectively. For example, if you notice that a majority of your audience comes from a specific country, you can adjust your examples, language, or even video topics to better resonate with that audience. This can lead to higher engagement and better performance overall. Something else I've found invaluable is collaborating with other creators, even in the automation space. You might think this is only for channels with personalities, but automation channels can benefit too. For example, you could work with another channel in your niche to cross-promote each other's videos or create a series of videos that complement each other. This not only expands your audience, but also boosts your credibility in the niche. At the end of the day, YouTube automation is all about being resourceful and strategic. By staying on top of trends, optimizing your analytics, and trying new approaches, you'll be well on your way to building a successful channel that generates passive income. Let's turn your YouTube dreams into reality. See you in the next video.